Yo, what up everyone? We're gonna be unboxing some Thursday boots. Already kind of tore off that little recyclable bag. Alright, here we go. Put that over there. Alright, Thursday's boots. These are the other two boots that I have. These are Timberlands, so I got the blacks. These are both the premium ones. Let's see, the black suede ones, I can't remember what kind of, it's like the reddish brown one from the pictures on Amazon. That's where I got these. These I got at the mall, but you could also order them on fucking Amazon. So these are like heavier work boots. Let's see, these are the men's Captain lace-up boot. This is a Brandy color. Alright, check it out. Alright, looks nice. Nice packaging. Okay. Ooh, really nice packaging. The packaging does not really fucking matter because you're gonna throw it away. But it's nice. Presentation is nice. Alright. Good thing these are brand new fucking boots, because putting it on top of a dinner table is a no-no. It's already giving me fucking flashbacks. Alright. Oh, there's a card in here. Throw this shit away. Alright. There we go. Thursday's boots right here. There we go. What does it say? Thursday's products are handcrafted in small batches using only the highest quality materials. Natural color and texture variation will occur. This is what makes materials we use and the products we design both distinct and special. Quality guaranteed by Anna Rico. Alright, so we know who to blame if these end up fucking up later on in the future. Alright, that's pretty cool. Alright. Just casually recording while my brother eats fucking what? I thought that was cereal. That's yogurt. Activia. Come here.
Kai, not you, fat bitch. Get over.
Kai, no. Eat your num-nums. You have your food over there. Anyways, that's how it looks like. Fucking Brandy color. This is what the bottom looks like. Oh, there's more of that paper inside. Alright. I also ordered the black ones. Not the matte black ones, but the regular classic black ones. As soon as I get it, as soon as it arrives, I think it's gonna arrive later on today or tomorrow. I'll show you guys. Alright. See what this shit says. Thursday every day. Has a size, handmade in small batches. What is this? Designed in New York, handcrafted in Mexico. So these are Mexican boots. Mexican American boots. Alright. Thursday. Jueves in Spanish. Okay. Alright. Nice boots. Very nice. Alright. soon as the other boots get here, I will attach it to this video so you guys can see what the black ones look like. Alright, so the classic black Captain's Thursday boots came in, and you can see them side by side. Again, this one's the Brandy color, and this is the classic black one, not the matte black. Alright, so let's move these towards the back, move these towards the front, and let's check them out. So these boots, they're resolable. I forgot what they call that, a Welton or whatever. Unlike my Timberlands, those are, if they fuck up, they fuck up, and I can't resole them. Like, I can't take it to a cobbler, and they can't replace this. Thursday Boot Company. Alright. This is my second pair of Thursday's boots. So this is the first time I'm actually getting boots from Thursday, the company. Not the day, the company, Thursday. Now they be selling all their boots for like $199, so it's like $200. You could get them on Amazon for the same price as the fucking main website. So unless they have discounts on one or the other. I tried these on already. So if you're gonna get it, make sure you go half a size down. So if you normally wear 10s, get 9.5s. They're a perfect fit for that. And apparently, I ChatGPT'd it. Timberland's boots, like, they're pretty much comfy all the way, just like sneakers. Apparently, that's what ChatGPT was comparing it to. And Thursday's boots, you kind of have to break them in, but they get more comfortable as you wear them. They weren't too uncomfortable, but you could feel the hardness of the leather. So yeah, you could feel the material. So yep. I'm not sure what kind of materials, exact materials they use. I'm pretty sure there's another YouTuber out there like geeking out on Thursday boots. This is just me showing you guys an unboxing, not a review of these boots. But so far they look good. You can see, like, well, I don't think you can actually see, but the seams around here on the outside, I don't think there's any like knots. Wait, is this a knot or an imperfection? Nope. I think that's where they probably like cut it off or knotted it. I mean, you probably won't be able to see. You guys won't be able to see because they chose to put black. What do you call that? String? The seam colors or the freaking the shit that they used to sew in the soles and shit is the same color as the fucking boot. You can see on the Thursday Brandy color one. You see it's kind of like tan in color. Is that tan? Yeah, that's tan or khaki. So like it goes with the color. Yeah, it looks nice. I think these colors are like the material. They're like kind of polished looking. So according to my YouTube research and ChatGPT, you can dress these up and down. The Brandy ones will look good in pretty much like blue jeans and khakis. And the black ones, well, black goes with everything. But since they're like more polished and stuff, apparently these are more of the dressier type of fucking boots. If you get like the matte or different polish of boot, they're for like a little more casual. But I'm pretty sure you could get away with it. Yeah, $199, you guys. I'll put the Amazon link down below, or you could Google Thursday and go to their official website and order it directly from them, because they'll have more availability. And yeah, any comments, suggestions, anything you guys can tell me about Thursdays, because yeah, I'm a noob when it comes to Thursday boots. So let me know if I spent $400, if it was worth it. Right now, I mean, I'm gonna take care of it as much as I can, but let me show you guys the comparison for Thursday boots and like Timberlands. Alright, so you can see my Timberlands right here. Timberland Premiums. How they look like, right? These are the like the suede ones. And these are like the black freaking Thursday boots. Right? You see how they're all shiny and polished? And like the difference between suede, obviously it's not match, but like the matte in color ones would be less fuzzy than the suede, right? Or yeah, fuzzy or fluffy, whatever. These are like more polished. All right, these are captain boots. I don't know, like old timey military style. And here's my Timberlands. I think these are like the reddish brown. My freaking husky has hairs on the soles. Anyways, yeah, the soles are fucking dirty right now because these are used. These are brand new, so that's why I'm not putting it on the freaking dinner table. All right, so these soles, like if anything happens to them, they're not resolable, and I'll have to get like a whole new pair of Timberlands to replace them. So they're like heavier than these. These are more casual than these, obviously. So I got boots for that, and for work, and for I don't know, hiking or to use and abuse. These are to look good in. Right here, look at that. I got different variations of color of brown and black. Trying to get white light directly on the boot so you guys can view it, see how it's gonna look, give you guys kind of an idea of how you could probably dress yourself with these boots. All right, well, oh shit, no, I don't want to do that. I think I'll just put my Timberlands on the ground, or shit, I'm gonna need to buy a new rack just for the boots, because this thing's for like tennis shoes and sneakers and my freaking indoor slippers. I got my brown pair and my black pair right here. See that? These are my indoor slippers or shoes, whatever. And then I got my Crocs on right now. These are like my lazy, going out real quick type of chanclas, sandals or Crocs, whatever. All right. Thanks for watching, you guys. I'll see you guys next time.